Nope.
But only you can make my mind see the signs, and every little thing you do makes me sing.
What's up, guys? I was choking just now, took a drink wrong. I made onion rings with pancake batter. My kids are running around the house right now. Just insane. Here in like a little bit, half an hour, we're going to take the kids to karate class. So you guys want to see that? They just tripped over the dog. Too bad I didn't get to show you that. Check out my pancakes, man. Well, my onion ring pancakes. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's the way to do it right there. Got some ranch up there with some onion ring with pancake batter. Nice and crunchy. Those are kind of stuck together. But, you know. For the most part, it's pretty decent. I like it. I dig it. So, on to the next clip. Basically, when I go to the karate class.
Wow, night was off. Now it's like that.
What's wrong? What? Bye, see you tomorrow. I gotta go to sleep now.
You got my permission.
One cookie.
So that he can walk to school. Imagine those days.
Am I wearing the dress? The only one? And a bell right there. Can you tell me how you read the Bible?
Yes, baby. What's up, everybody?
Your idea to put it inside the television. Oh.
So I guess today Heather worked her ass off. Not literally trolls. Fucking trolls. Anyways. Bram had a good time at karate class. He was kind of kept like paying attention to me more, so I had to like roll out of there. Hung out in the front with Coda. Heather worked until 6:30 today. So that's a plus. I hate Mitt Romney. I'm just going to say that.
I stayed till 6:30. Technically, I clocked out like 6:15. Because after the guys came in at 6 o'clock that were supposed to work that shift, there was really nothing for me to do. So I just clocked out.
Okay. Well, anyway. I hate Mitt Romney. I've been hearing about him all day, about this little GOP conference thing out there. I hate that guy. What else? Louisiana, places like that, getting hit hard with rain. Getting hit really hard with rain. So, huh?
It's a hurricane.
Hurricane! That's what Heather said. It's a Hurricane Isaac. So, we've been watching that. Having a gay old time with that. Woo, woo, woo! So, I gotta get on Facebook and edit my yesterday's video. Sorry I've been lagging on that when you guys watch this one. Obviously you watched that one, so my bad. My bad.